I'm John with Caddy Presents. Actually, we've been bringing you Cadillac parts for 40 years now, and recently we've added Buick, Oldsmobile, and Pontiac. And today I have a little tech tip for everyone and a video explaining what's going on with rear trailing arms, and specifically on a Cadillac 1961 through 1964. So in the video, we'll show you the car, how it looks on the car, the trailing arm out of the car, and also the master parts book that Cadillac produced and the shop manual that Cadillac produced. And here's where it gets a little confusing. It's the master parts book right here. You take a look at it and you'll see that this little hub where it accepts the spring is much larger than the shop manual has it. The arm is actually a different design on a 61 to 64 Cadillac. So they're showing in the picture on the master parts book an older style arm and receptacle. And now Cadillac changed in 61 because they wanted a lighter design and they wanted a better ride. And so therefore, I can understand everybody looking at master parts books and saying, oh, that's not my part. Well, now we know 100%, which sometimes I get a little confused too, but this is bringing you the correct part and explaining how the confusion happens. All right, thanks for watching our videos. Hope to come back to you real soon, and take care.